Welcome to snackwa.com.au. This is a series of 2 videos which looks at interpreting nutrition information and nutrition claims. This first video will help you to interpret nutrition information and gain a broader understanding of the information provided on food labels. Nutrition information helps you keep track of what you're eating and enables you to choose between different products to get the best one for you by comparing key nutrients. Most packaged foods must have a nutrition information panel or a NIP. Some exceptions are very small packages of herbs, spices, tea or coffee, and unpackaged foods such as fresh fruit and vegetables. These panels provide information about the amount of energy, which is displayed as kilojoules, protein, total fat, saturated fat, carbohydrate, sugars and sodium, as well as any other nutrient about which a claim is made. For example, if it says a good source of fibre or high in calcium. The information must be presented in a standard format which shows the amount per serve and per 100 grams, or 100 ml if a liquid, of the food. The quantity per serve information is useful if you are monitoring your daily intake of kilojoules or certain nutrients. However, it is the quantity per 100 gram measurement that is most helpful. This measurement is useful to compare similar products in the supermarket. For example, by using the information in the per 100 gram column, you could find out which of the 2 yogurts contained the most calcium. It can also be used to compare the energy density of foods. The more kilojoules a food contains per 100 grams, the higher its energy density. This also allows you to determine the nutritional quality of the food you have chosen, and in particular whether the quantity of fat, sugars and salt in the product is an acceptable amount and whether healthier options could be chosen. 2 useful guides that are worth highlighting are the Live Lighter Wallet Card and Nutrition Australia's Pocket Guide to Food Choices. Although they are slightly different, they both provide a simple way of determining whether the food you are choosing is a good option, and both resources are available on the SNAC website. By using the Live Lighter Wallet Card, you are able to determine the nutritional quality of the food item and whether it's a good choice or whether a healthier option could be made. This design allows for food and drink labels to be read and understood with ease and without confusion. When looking at specific foods, the Nutrition Australia Pocket Guide to Food Choices is a wonderful resource. Slightly more in depth than the Live Lighter Wallet Card, it provides the maximum and minimum amounts of specific nutrients per 100 grams or millilitres for good health per product. The foods chosen include bread, breakfast cereals, milk and yoghurt, cheese, meat and alternatives, canned foods, savoury and sweet snack foods, fats, oils and nuts. For example, the Nutrition Australia resource advises that for sweet snack foods such as cereal bars, you should be looking for less than 10 grams of total fat, less than 3 grams of saturated fat, 15 grams of sugar, 400 milligrams of sodium and more than 3 grams of fibre per 100 grams, not per serve size. So then when we look at this particular product, by using the advice provided we can determine that the product exceeds the recommended limit of total fat for a sweet snack food, so perhaps it isn't the best choice and we could find something that meets the criteria. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learnt a little more about interpreting nutrition information on food labels. The links provided on this slide provide more information about this topic, but you can also use the Ask the Nutritionist function on the SNAC website if you require more information. The next video in this series will help you understand some of the nutrition claims which appear on food labels. Thank you for listening.